Well, good morning, everybody. Good day. It's 2 o'clock in Geneva. It's 8 a.m. in Atlanta. Welcome to the third town hall with WHO and IFMBE Clinical Engineering Division. And you may be asking yourselves, so why do we have these town halls? And I'm going to tell you 4 quick things. One is because we want to support Adriana and her incredible work and her team in Geneva. Second reason is we want to empower clinical engineers around the world with best practices around these challenging issues. Third, we want to support the healthcare workers that we work alongside every day and that are so important in this crisis. And last, channeling Adriana here, it's because we want to take care of our patients the best way we can. And, you know, often that's our own families and our friends. Another announcement I want to make is there's a monthly quality and safety webinar tomorrow by the Clinical Engineering Division. As a former quality director, I know there's a lot of people involved in improving quality and safety, but we want to look tomorrow at the unique clinical engineering contribution to that, and I'll put a link to the registration for that in the chat. Speaking of chat, there's a Q&A tab at the bottom of your screen and a chat capability. Please send your questions along the way and comments, and we'll take those into account for the quality or for the Q&A session. And last, let me turn it over to my friend Farid. Go ahead.
Thank you, Tom, for this introduction. So, I'm coming from France, and I'm a biomedical engineer. That's to say, a clinical engineer in French. And I would like to thank the whole team of the IFMBE CED and also the WHO for all the work they do to make so many resources available to clinical engineers and more generally to the users of medical technology. I would also like to thank them for trusting the AFIB team, which is the French Clinical Engineer Association in France, to co-organize this very interesting session on non-invasive ventilation in CPAP and BiPAP modes. Excuse me. I would like to specify that it is the first time for us. It is a team effort from the international division of AFIB. And we therefore count on your indulgence, and we hope that the contents will be up to your expectations. To help me chair these sessions, I have with me my longtime colleague from AFIB, Joël Delode. As an expert in anesthesia and intensive care medical devices, I know he will be pleased to answer a number of your questions on the technical level. On the medical level, we insisted with the team of CED and WHO, excuse me, to propose you a medical point of view to incite the following exchanges, we hope. And it will be possible through the experience feedback of a Parisian clinical doctor in the use of these ventilation techniques on his own COVID-19 patients. So, then we will continue, we hope, with an illustration of the way it could be an interesting ventilation technique for the LMICs. Indeed, our colleague Pascal Sorohay, African biomedical engineer, will present the use of these non-invasive ventilation medical devices in CPAP and BiPAP mode in his country, Benin. So
maybe I could just help you, Farid. Okay, let me introduce Adriana Velasquez. She's gonna talk to us about what is the technical specification for non-invasive ventilators or non-invasive ventilation for COVID-19. I mean, what the World Health Organization is guiding for all the world.
Thank you, Joel. Thank you.
Adriana, it's your turn.
Thank you very much. Can you let me present my screen? Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everybody. I am very